What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are working on a brand new 2022 Corvette C8. This Corvette C8 got literally 103 miles only. It's brand new, straight from the dealer. The second stop was to my place. So he wants it to be protected. And if you do not want to spend the money for PPF and just want to go an alternative route, but also make it look really nice, I suggest wrapping over. And so that's what we're doing for this Corvette C8. The two colors that I'll be working with are both from Maple Films. They are under the Ultra Jet, and one of them is the Gloss Sparkle White and the other one is Gloss Sparkle Black. Now I did mention Gloss Sparkle Black. Where I'm gonna put it, well, that's gonna be later down the video, so you guys gonna have to watch the video. But in the meantime, I want to show you Gloss Sparkle White because I already did the fenders and the hood. You guys could kind of see it. So this is Gloss Sparkle White by Maple Films, as well as the fender. This is plain white from Chevy. Let me show you right here, actually. Yeah, there you go. You guys could definitely see the reflection is unbelievable. So this is pet liner. The film is also cast. It will last some longer. It's initially tech wrap, but on steroids. If you're on a budget, I will definitely recommend tech wrap. But if you got the money and you want to make it look good and you also want the wrap to stay longer, I will definitely recommend Maple Films. Now, before I get this from bumper finished, there's some stuff I gotta talk about. One is the grills. Remove them. I highly recommend removing them. There is a piece sticking out on this front bumper, which is going to make it harder for you. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people watched Paradox, and there's a tutorial on how to wrap a Corvette C8. And the tutorial is basically go around over here and nobody gonna see none. I'm not about that lifestyle. I'm about the proper lifestyle. And so proper is going to be like this. Remove everything, go in there really nicely, remove the headlight, tuck it in pretty nicely. That's how it's done. Okay, so if it ain't done properly, it don't make sense. Alrighty, almost finished. Did the whole front end, did the driver's side door, did the top part. I'm gonna show you right now. And I'm gonna do the other side, and I want to finish the quarter panels today, and then possibly like Friday or even Saturday have it fully finished so I could show it to you guys. Monday is getting picked up, that's for sure. But yeah, let me show you this Sparkle Black. This is crazy. This was carbon fiber exposed, which is what did everything. Like, this is insane. I removed the grommet. I went all the way in there. Like, you don't see white whatsoever. Look over here. Look over here, the pillar. You don't see white whatsoever. This thing is white. You don't see white. Like, I really am taking my time with this car. It's looking pretty right now. And then of course we did this part in Sparkle Black. We were just gonna leave it alone because this does have a little bit of sparkles, but it's not enough. So we're doing the Sparkle Black, and then of course this is getting the same treatment. Doing the last part, which is the rear bumper, I of course took everything off, took the spoiler off, everything, even the backup camera that's on the bottom. And of course, this rear part is gonna be done separate, this license plate area. I know there's a lot of tutorials on how to get this done. Some people use the big initial roll they're already pre-cut for the rear bumper and then just try to stretch it in here and whatnot using adhesive promoter. And then of course, going around the lights and whatnot, like Paradox tutorials. Look, this is how you do it. This is the proper way. Basically, use scrap paper and go along this line right here. Right, go along this line. I already pre-cut over here because one, that's gonna prevent having bubbles over here, and two, the car is gloss white. This is Gloss Sparkle White. I mean, this could be black, this could be pink, it doesn't matter. The license plate covers this. I already checked before I pre-cut, so believe me. So yeah, cut over here because the initial big row that I have pre-cut right now is gonna overlap, and it's gonna sit really nicely, and it's not gonna create bubbles, it's not gonna create problems. So yeah, everything's removed. Let's get this done, and that's it. I'm gonna update you guys with the car finished and then doing a 360 walk around. I cannot wait. All right, there you guys have it. It's all finished. So we did Gloss Sparkle White, and then we did Gloss Sparkle Black mirror covers, as well as this part right here. And just to show you up close how it looks, Gloss Sparkle Black right here, really shiny, as well as over here gloss sparkle white, and then we did this gloss sparkle black. It just makes it look more aggressive. Of course, everything was removed, the spoiler, everything, the bumper, the lights, everything. You guys see me do it, and it's one of the most hardest cars I have ever done. So yeah, I definitely took the time with this car. The color combo, everything looks perfect. He is on his way to pick it up, and I will record his reaction, so stay tuned for that.
Oh yeah.
Told you, the black everything looks so good.
Oh yeah.
And then the black little vents on the side.
This
but yeah,
fucking dope.
Oh yeah, bro. No, wait when you see it in the sun or even like at a gas station, you'll see what I'm talking about. It sparkles like crazy. But then it also looks like white. So it has that effect that you only see when it gets, you know, light. But overall, dude, everything has been removed, of course. Crazy. There you go.
Man.
Looks
clean, man.
Yes, sir. There you guys have it. It's all finished. And he's very happy. Very happy. Looks so good. There you guys have it. It's all finished. So happy. So happy. Well, there you guys have it. So subscribe, comment, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.